If you've ever saved way too many posts on X and want to start fresh, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to clear all bookmarks on X, also known as Twitter, using a simple free browser extension. This is a quick way to remove everything at once instead of deleting bookmarks one by one, which can take forever if your bookmarks folder is full. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tips just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge on your computer. This method works through a browser extension, so it's important to use a compatible desktop browser. Next, go to the Chrome Web Store and search for a tool like Twitter, Remove All Bookmarks. There are a few similar extensions out there, so look for one that clearly mentions bulk bookmark removal or deleting all bookmarks on X. Once you find the extension, click Add to Chrome and then confirm the installation. Your browser may ask you to review the permissions. That's normal because the extension needs access to interact with the page and automate the removal process. After it installs, you should see the extension icon in your browser toolbar. Now open a new tab and go to your X Bookmarks page. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account before you continue. This is important if you manage multiple X accounts because you want to clear bookmarks from the right profile. Once you're on the Bookmarks page, check that your saved posts are loading properly. Now click the extension icon in your toolbar to activate it. When you open the extension, it should trigger the automated batch deletion process. In some cases, you may need to refresh the bookmarks page first so the extension can properly detect the items on the screen. If the extension gives you a start button, click it and allow it to run. Depending on the extension you chose, it may begin removing bookmarks automatically in batches. Let it work through the list without closing the tab. If the page scrolls or updates while the extension runs, that's usually part of the process. Just be patient and let it finish. If you have a large number of bookmarks, this may take a little while, so don't worry if it doesn't happen instantly. When the process is complete, refresh your bookmarks page and check the result. If everything worked correctly, your bookmarks should now be empty or nearly empty. If a few items remain, you can run the extension again or manually remove the last few bookmarks yourself. That's usually enough to fully clear the page. A quick tip before you finish. Whenever you use third-party browser tools, only install extensions from trusted sources and always review the permissions first. If you no longer need the extension after deleting your bookmarks, you can remove it from Chrome or Edge to keep your browser clean and reduce clutter. So that's how to clear all bookmarks on X or Twitter using a free web extension. It's fast, easy, and much better than deleting each bookmark individually. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.